What is up, YouTube? It is I, Clutch Marles. Here's another 2-minute clip. So I got my switch box and all these fucking wires. I'm going to show you guys how to clean it up with just zip ties. You take 2 zip ties and go around the wires. Don't lock it down all the way. Then you take smaller zip ties and you want to go down and back up and tighten them. And you're going to do this between every wire. This also works great on spark plug wires. Lock these down all the way. And then tighten the long ones. And now your wires are all straight. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe.